All right, good morning, everybody. This is for HiveMind. Probably put it up in Mobile also for anybody using HiveMind over there. But we're going to be uploading a list to the CRM. I was wondering about that the other day. Blake posted a good video that went through. Come on, refresh. Wakey. Stop smoking crack. Actually, let me shut my door for this. Sorry about that. That way the whole office doesn't hear this whole thing. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We're on the contacts and smart list. As you can see over here on the left menu. We're going to come over here. Click here just to add one single contact. If you want to tag stuff, a bunch of stuff, delete contacts, add to campaigns, select all you want, and then select the campaign. We can export all the contacts to the database, or in this case, we can create new contacts. So what we're doing here is creating new contacts. Yes, I know there's two Bhaskar pandas we were doing testing the other day. Thank you very much, Bhaskar, by the way. Okay, so importing contacts must be CSV format. Already took care of that. Trying to get this in last night. Forgot that you had to have phone numbers. Asked Blake about it this morning, and he reminded me. And I recall now, as soon as he said it, I now recall that he did indeed say it. So owner name one. I also added because the database itself didn't have a spot for a second owner name. So I added that because the field, but this is using a list that we got from MapRight. So I won't use every single field, but this is mailing address. This is going to be the person who's in control of its mailing address. So mailing city, mailing state, it's just state, and postal code. Property address. It's a little further down. This is one of the custom fields I had to add. So, property city, subject city, subject state, subject zip code. Zip +4 acres is one of those fields in there. What is the size of the property? Sale date, I'm not using parcel ID. It's one of the fields that I have in there. It's not APN, subject parcel number. Parcel number and APN is a separate one. So APN format is essentially the same thing. Total value, I haven't done any of that. Phone is phone. So it should let me do this. Look at a couple of samples just to make sure. Yep, it looks like it's doing it correctly. So continue. If existing records are already there, update the data within the document, but only the fields that were empty. So if we're uploading a document that has more data, then it's just going to update that existing record. Or I can set it to update it with the data in the spreadsheet and overwrite the ones that were already filled in on here, or don't modify them at all. So as these are all new, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on the first one. Add tags. This is going to be St. Pete, 2 acre and up. So this was a list for 2 to 3 acres for storage facilities, potential storage facilities that I went out. So this is a targeted mailing, very targeted mailing. So hopefully everything works. It looks like it is. Yep. We're getting all this time. See, now this is kind of frustrating. Yeah, put all these in like instantly. before records. Okay, so it didn't put in everything. There's apparently still an issue with some of them, so I have to figure out why. Let's go page size 20. Let's go page size 100. Now it's showing, so it might still be adding them, although I already had some of these in here. So, but that's a step in the right direction, and boom, it's that simple. From here, you still have to, and it's not worth doing immediately until you've actually spoken with them and see if they really want to sell. But under additional info, this is where I've got a lot of questions here. Some of it was already pre-existing in the system. Some of it I added. How much are you asking for it? Zip code, I can remove that once I already got it there. 2.51 acres, zoning, residential, multifamily, commercial, whatever. This is one I added: city water, well water, city sewer, septic. It's kind of important. Has it been cleared or does it have trees? Do you own the property free and clear? There are liens and judgments that you know of. If there's money owed, how much? Did you purchase it, inherit it, gifted it, other? If I were to make a cash offer today, what's the best you can do? This is one of those: obtain as many yeses as possible in the form of soft close before you go for the hard close. Is there electricity there already? Any additional comments? And I'm probably going to keep adding more fields to this as I go, because there's more and more questions that we'll probably find that we want. But as you can see here, we've got the ability to SMS. I don't have email address for any of these people in there, so it's not in here currently. Then on the main contact info, the phone number is a fake phone number. I had to add a phone number to the list. So you add a phone number in the very first field. I had added it to row X. Phone at the very top of the field, it automatically maps. That's the nice thing about this. When you're going to import these, and then I just put my area code, and then the default, the old information number. For those of you who don't know, it was 555-1212. So I started with that, and then you click in the corner and you drag it down, and it just automatically fills them all in numeric order. So this one happened to get 555-1313. So that was a little ways down in the list. Oops, I did not want to click to open that, but beyond that, I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the thread. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording now, but it's Monday, 5/3. If you're watching this tomorrow, may the 4th be with you. If you're watching this the day after tomorrow, beware the revenge of the 5th. So yes, I'm a Star Wars geek. I admit it, just accept it, deal with it. I'm cool. You too can be cool also. Coffee, success, love. Absolutely celebrate every one of your successes. Have a great day.